Just a few hours, the Paris 2024 Olympic Games will begin. Many Friuli Venezia Giulia athletes are taking part on it. Are locals in Trieste following it? Olympic Games is starting in just a few hours. Are you following it?
No.
The Olympic Games, which are starting today in a few hours?
Sometimes, but not that long. So, yeah, sometimes I watched it, but also not. Yeah.
Not today.
Really have like that much of an interest in sports, but yeah.
The Olympic Games, but it's very hard to avoid the Olympic Games at this time.
Paris?
Yeah, I will follow the. Yeah, I'm today I can because I have another dinner planned. So
No.
Not either the following days?
No,
Is there a reason why?
I'm not interested in it.
Big Games tonight or the following days?
Today not, but actually I want to watch some sport events, swimming.
Maybe
for example.
gymnastics, climbing, and sports.
No.
Okay.